Spring 2021 has arrived with some of the greatest anime shows that have a potential to being stellar. One of them is A1 Pictures 86, a show that is initially had a little interest in until I saw some online recommendations. After watching the first two episodes, I was simply blown away by how amazing it was. If these first few episodes are the indication of the quality of the rest of the season, then this could be easily one of the amazing animes that you will watch this season. 86 is the hidden gem of this season and one that you just can't miss. 86 is about a country called as San Magnolia that is at a war with an army of robots called Legions. To fight Legions, the government moved all the people with grey hairs and eyes into a safety of the first 85 districts. This anime is totally kind of based on racism. Everyone else was stripped of their rights and lives in the 86th district to fight the enemy in mechas that the government claims are automated. Now I can't give a full critique of the plot because you will be spoiled because of it. But according to first few episodes that I have watched, I find the premise quite interesting since I personally have the liking to this more military and political kind of shows. And I also think that what has been set up so far could tell a really compelling tale of war, discrimination, drama and politics with a very interesting world to explore. The narratives also somehow reminds me of some of my favorite shows like Full Metal Alchemist and Attack on Titans, which makes me want to watch more of it. Overall, the story is shaping up to something promising that I can't wait to watch more of. In regards to our main leads, Lena and Shin, I think it is too far early to give an accurate assessment of how well written their characters are. However, based on these episodes, they are already very likable. The voice actings for them is excellent. Their character designs looks beautiful, especially for Lena. I can easily see them becoming top tier waifu and husbandos respectively. And their initial characterization, while limited, is more than sufficient for these episodes. These episodes, although not invested, certainly got me interested in their relationship and how it relates to the power of the dynamics of that society, since Lena is one of the chosen people while Shin is the subhuman sent to the battlefield. Now what truly amazes me in these first few episodes were truly gorgeous animations and visuals. There was a scene when Lena was in her work area and I was like, oh my god, what does the computer screen look so beautiful. The background art and the world design are also equally impressive. In particularly, the character designs of both Lena and Shin easily catches your attention because they are so visually appealing and easily distinct from the rest of the art of the show. I can already see people buying merchandises and cosplays of this too. But where the animation truly shines are during the battle scenes. Watching the fight in the episode 2, my jaw was wide open and I was like, holy shit, at how freaking incredible this looks. I was simply blown away at how well directed and choreographed this action was. The fight and the animations look so clean, stunning and plain epic. I was so impressed that after watching it, immediately I went online to see the scenes again. Very few animes have ever made me do that in the past. And this scene from the episode 2 was what actually got me hooked into this anime. I think till now it has released somewhere around 6 to 7 episodes right now. On another note, this is similar to Attack on Titan in that they both have same fantastic soundtracks composed by the same guy, Sawano Hiroyuki. The soundtracks is an absolute banger, especially when one that plays during the battle scenes in episode 2. To conclude, I am very impressed by what 86 has shown me so far. Everything from visual animation, soundtrack and voice actings, it made high quality and top tier animation production. The fact that this anime is not getting that much attention from the community hurts me a lot. That's why you should check out this anime if you can. I hope that more people discover this hidden gem and see it for its all glory. This show is shaping up as one of the most promising animes in this season and one that you can absolutely must watch. So that's why till now, if you haven't watched 86, then you should do it as soon as possible. And if you have already watched 86, then let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.